What were some of the symptoms experienced by Saida's mother? सईदा की माँ को क्या क्या लक्षण महसूस हुए? Answer is all of the above.
Why was Saida's mother confined to a small, dingy room? सईदा की माँ को एक छोटे से गंदे कमरे में क्यों रखा गया? Answer is doctor's orders, डॉक्टर के आदेश.
What did the doctor prescribe in addition to medicine? डॉक्टर ने दवा के अलावा और क्या सलाह दी? Answer is sunshine and fresh air, धूप और ताजी हवा.
How did Saida's mother react to the doctor's advice? सईदा की माँ ने डॉक्टर की सलाह पर क्या प्रतिक्रिया दी? Answer is followed it strictly, उसका सख्ती से पालन किया.
What did Saida ask the sun to bring? सईदा ने सूरज से क्या लाने को कहा? Answer is warmth and brightness, गर्मी और चमक.
What did the little ray promise to do? छोटी किरण ने क्या करने का वादा किया था? Answer is pierce through the clouds, बादलों को भेदना.
How did the other rays react to the little ray's decision? छोटी किरण के निर्णय पर अन्य किरणों ने कैसी प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त की? Answer is supported it, समर्थन किया.
Where did Saida's mother sit to soak up the sun? सईदा की माँ धूप सेंकने के लिए कहाँ बैठती थी? Answer is in the courtyard, आंगन में.
How did Saida's mother feel after sitting in the sun? धूप में बैठने के बाद सईदा की माँ को कैसा महसूस हुआ? Answer is better, बेहतर.
What did the morning air bring with it? सुबह की हवा अपने साथ क्या लेकर आई? Answer is fresh fragrance, ताजा खुशबू.
What did the birds do when Saida's mother sat in the sun? जब सईदा की माँ धूप में बैठी तो पक्षियों ने क्या किया? Answer is chanted a tune, कोई धुन बजाई.
How does Saida's mother feel now? सईदा की माँ अब कैसा महसूस करती हैं? Answer is fully recovered, पूरी तरह स्वस्थ.
Why does Saida's mother still follow the doctor's advice? सईदा की माँ अब भी डॉक्टर की सलाह क्यों मानती है? Answer is for continued health, निरंतर स्वास्थ्य के लिए.
What did Saida do when she saw the sun? सईदा ने सूरज को देखकर क्या किया? Answer is played with her doll, अपनी गुड़िया के साथ खेली.
How did the doctor's advice become a subject of discussion? डॉक्टर की सलाह चर्चा का विषय कैसे बन गई? Answer is mixed opinions, मिश्रित राय.
What did Saida's mother sell to pay the doctor? सईदा की माँ ने डॉक्टर को पैसे देने के लिए क्या बेचा? Answer is trinkets, गहने.
Who convinced Saida's mother to consult a specialist? सईदा की माँ को विशेषज्ञ से परामर्श करने के लिए किसने राजी किया? Answer is her neighbors, उसके पड़ोसी.
What did Saida ask her doll to do? सईदा ने अपनी गुड़िया से क्या करने को कहा? Answer is talk to the sun, सूर्य से बात करें.
What did the doctor prescribe for Saida's mother's illness? सईदा की माँ की बीमारी के लिए डॉक्टर ने क्या लिखा? Answer is expensive medicine, महंगी दवा.
What did the clouds do when the rays focused their heat on them? जब किरणों ने अपनी गर्मी बादलों पर केंद्रित की तो उन्होंने क्या किया? Answer is fled from their post, अपने स्थान से भाग गए.
Fill in the blanks. Saida's mother suffered from blank, cough and painful joints. Answer is fever.
The doctor advised Saida's mother to get sunshine and blank. Answer is fresh air.
Saida's mother sold a few blank to pay the doctor's fee. Answer is trinkets.
Saida's mother decided to move her bed into a bigger room with doors and windows, blank. Answer is open.
The doctor emphasized that sunshine and fresh air are more important than blank. Answer is medicine.
Saida's mother requested the sun to bring warmth and blank. Answer is brightness.
The little ray promised to pierce through the blank to reach Saida's courtyard. Answer is clouds.
Saida's mother felt dejected when she saw that the sky remained blank. Answer is overcast.
The morning air brought in a new blank from nearby flowers. Answer is smell.
Saida's mother's sharp eye was placed in the blank. Answer is courtyard.
The birds chanted a new blank when Saida's mother sat in the sun. Answer is song.
Saida's mother felt better already after blank in the sun. Answer is sitting.
Saida's mother followed the doctor's advice for blank health. Answer is continued.
The rays of the sun rushed towards the blank. Answer is earth.
Saida saw the host of rays approaching and her heart leapt with blank. Answer is joy.
Saida's mother felt as if she was in a blank world after sitting in the sun. Answer is new.
The cloud stood guard between the rays and Saida's blank. Answer is courtyard.
Saida's mother's face glowed and her eyes shone bright after soaking up the blank. Answer is sunshine.
The little rays nearly staged a blank against their father, the sun. Answer is protest.
The rays focused their heat on the blank clouds to reach Saida's courtyard. Answer is thick.
Give the answers in true or false. Saida's mother's illness involved a fever, cough and body aches. सईदा की मां की बीमारी में बुखार, खांसी और शरीर में दर्द शामिल था. Answer is true.
Saida's mother was treated successfully by multiple doctors. सईदा की मां का कई डॉक्टरों द्वारा सफलतापूर्वक इलाज किया गया. Answer is false.
Saida's family was wealthy and could afford any treatment. सईदा का परिवार अमीर था और किसी भी इलाज का खर्च वहन करने में सक्षम था. Answer is false.
The specialist recommended fresh air but restricted sunlight. विशेषज्ञ ने ताजी हवा की सलाह दी, लेकिन धूप से परहेज किया. Answer is false.
Everyone agreed with the specialist's advice. सभी लोग विशेषज्ञ की सलाह से सहमत थे. Answer is false.
Saida's mother was cured immediately after following the specialist's advice. विशेषज्ञ की सलाह मानने के बाद सईदा की मां तुरंत ठीक हो गई. Answer is false.
Saida's conversation with the sunbeam was overheard by others. सईदा की सूर्य किरण के साथ बातचीत अन्य लोगों ने सुन ली. Answer is false.
The sun refused to help Saida's plea because of the clouds. बादलों के कारण सूरज ने सईदा की विनती को मानने से इनकार कर दिया. Answer is true.
One ray of sun broke its promise and didn't go to Saida's courtyard. सूरज की एक किरण ने अपना वादा तोड़ दिया और सईदा के आंगन में नहीं गई. Answer is false.
Some of the rays of sun rebelled against their father to help Saida. सूरज की कुछ किरणें सईदा की मदद करने के लिए अपने पिता के खिलाफ विद्रोह कर गईं. Answer is true.
The clouds easily blocked the determined ray of sunshine. बादलों ने आसानी से सूर्य की किरण को रोक लिया. Answer is false.
Saida's mother felt worse after spending time in the sunlight. सईदा की मां को धूप में समय बिताने के बाद और भी बुरा महसूस हुआ. Answer is false.
Saida's mother never recovered from her illness. सईदा की मां अपनी बीमारी से कभी उबर नहीं पाई. Answer is false.
The story promotes the idea that fresh air is unimportant for healing. कहानी इस विचार को बढ़ावा देती है कि ताजी हवा उपचार के लिए महत्वहीन है. Answer is false.
Saida's mother stopped following the doctor's advice after her recovery. सईदा की मां ने उसके ठीक होने के बाद डॉक्टर की सलाह का पालन करना बंद कर दिया. Answer is false.
The specialist recommended a change in diet along with medicine. विशेषज्ञ ने दवा के साथ साथ आहार में बदलाव की भी सलाह दी. Answer is true.
Saida's mother was confined to a large room with plenty of fresh air. सईदा की मां को ताजी हवा से भरपूर एक बड़े कमरे में सीमित कर दिया गया था. Answer is false.
The specialist disagreed with the traditional treatments used earlier. विशेषज्ञ पहले इस्तेमाल किए जाने वाले पारंपरिक उपचारों से असहमत थे. Answer is true.
Saida's mother felt grateful for her daughter's love and care. सईदा की मां अपनी बेटी के प्यार और देखभाल के लिए आभारी महसूस करती है. Answer is true.